Okay, today we came to third session in the relations and function. We are going to discuss today problem number 2 to 6, that is 2, 3, 4 and 6. Here problem number 2 is show that the relation R in the set capital R of real numbers. Relation also R and set of real numbers also R. Don't confuse there. Here usually that is given some bold letter, otherwise italic letter will given for the set of real numbers R here. Okay, what they are given? AB such that A less than or equal to B square, A less than or equal to B square, A less than or equal to B cube. When you are going to get in the exponent form, be careful with that one. Now here we have to use what we have to prove that here it is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Now I am going to the first, what is there given? Given R is equal to A comma B such that A less than or equal to B square on set of real numbers R. Now consider A is equal to 1 by 2. If you are taken A is equal to 1 by 2, A cube, what you are going to get? A square is 1 by 4. But 1 by 2 is not less than 1 by 4. This is the 0.5, this is the 0.25. Therefore 1 by 2 is not less than or equal to 1 by 4. That implies 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. That is, R is not reflexive. Similarly, just when you are coming to this one, when you are getting exponent from A less than or equal to B square, R less than or equal to B cube, you should take the value in between 0 to 1. Remember that a value you have to take in between 0 comma 1. It is going to be proved. Why? Because it is a real part. Now here you have to take two integers. That is, here what you have, 1 comma 2 belongs to R. That is 1 less than or equal to 2 square. Ultimately 1 is less than or equal to 4 is true or not. But 2 does not less than or equal to 1 square. That is, 2 does not equal. Here what is that? 2 is greater than 1. That's why 2 does not less than or equal to 1. Therefore 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. That is, R is not symmetric. Here what you got first in the first case? Not symmetric, not reflexive. Here not symmetric. Further, when you are going to third one, be careful while you are taking the numbers. This is the 3 comma 2 belongs to R. 2 comma 3 by 2 belongs to R. Observe their descending order you have to take. Now when you are taken, this is 3 is less than or equal to 2 square, 2 is less than or equal to 3 by 2 whole square. That is 3 less than or equal to 4 and 2 is less than or equal to 3 by 2 is the 1.5. 1.5 square is the 2.25. Therefore 3, but here observe there 3 is does not less than or equal to 2.25. That implies 3 comma 3 by 2 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is neither reflexive, that is R is not transitive. Hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Hence proved. Now problem number 3. Check whether the relation R defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as AB such that A is equal, B is equal to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay, now what they are given? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is given set. This is the domain. Now therefore given relation is here B is equal to A plus 1. Therefore if you are put 1, what you are going to get? A is equal to 1 means 1 plus 1 2. A is equal to 2 means 2 plus 1 3. A is equal to 3 means 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 means 4 plus 1 5. 5 is 5 plus 1 6. 6 means already 6 is there, but 6 plus 1 7. 7 does not belongs to A. That's why we should not consider that ordered pair. Therefore what you got here? R is equal to 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 and 5 6. Now observe there is no 1 1 2 2 3 3 ordered pair. That's why for all A belongs to A comma A does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not reflexive. Next one is, consider here first element. If you take 1 comma 2 belongs to R, that is what you got? 1 comma 2 is there, but 2 comma 1 you cannot find here. 2 comma 1. Therefore 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. And also if you take 1 2 2 3, A comma B, B comma C. Therefore 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 3 belongs to R, but you cannot find A comma C. That is 1 comma 3 is not there. Observe there. Therefore 1 comma 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. Further, therefore what you got from 3 cases? Hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. This is the problem number 3. Now if you are moving to problem number 4, what they are given? Show that the relation R defined on the set of real numbers capital R such that R is equal to A comma B and A is less than or equal to B. Observe that A is less than or equal to B. Now is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Okay, here if you are taken A is equal, what they are given relation, A comma B, A less than or equal to B. Every number is less than or equal to itself, no? That's why it is a slack sign, equal is included. That means A is equal to A, therefore A comma A belongs to R, therefore R is reflexive. Next, the same thing we can go to move to the whether it is a symmetric or transitive, we have to verify. Now 2 comma 4 belongs to R. That means 2 is less than or equal to 4 or not. Okay, 2 is less than or equal to 4, therefore 2 comma 4 belongs to R. But 4 is does not less than or equal to 2, therefore 4 comma 2 does not belongs to R. That is R is not symmetric. And further 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 3 belongs to R. That implies what you are going to get? 1 is less than or equal to 2 and 2 is less than or equal to. Ultimately what do you know? 1 is less than or equal to 3. Therefore 1 comma 3 belongs to R. That is R is transitive. Hence R is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Hence proved. Okay. Now we are moving into the problem number 5. Check whether the relation defined on R of R defined on set of real numbers capital R by A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B cube, that is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Now already I said no, when you are taking, when there is a powers, that is exponent form, when we are verifying it is reflexive or not, just to take the number in between 0 comma 1, you are going to get whether it is a reflexive or not. Now I am taking here A is equal to 1 by 2, A cube is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 0.125, this is a 0.5, that means 1 by 8 less than 1 by 8, 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by 2 is does not less than or equal to 1 by 8. That implies 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. Hence R is not reflexive. Further, go for the descending order or ascending order. 1 comma 2 belongs to R if you have taken. 1 is less than or equal to 2 cube, that is 1 is less than or equal to 8 is true or not. But 2 is not less than or equal to 1 cube. Why? Because 2 does not less than or equal to 1. Hence 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not symmetric. Further, what we are going to move, while you are taking these numbers, be careful. Here what is there? The number is 3 comma 3 by 2, 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5. It should be careful. This you can get easily, but here the number is 3 by 2. No, it should be greater than 1. It should not be less than 1. If it is lies in between 0 and 1, what happened? It going to be the decrease the value. That's why be careful while you are taking this value. Now 3 is less than or equal to 3 by 2, that is 27 by 8 means not 8 3s are 24. 24 means 3 point something you are going to get. Therefore 3 is less than or equal to 27 by 8. Now if you have taken 6 by 5, this is the 3 by 2 nothing but 3 by 2 is the 1.5. 216 by 1 2. This is the less than, what you are getting, observe there, less than 1.5. Why? Because if you are taken 2 point, that means what you are going to 216 by 125 means less than 2. Now here further if you are moving, that is 3 does not less than or equal to 216 by 125, that is 3 comma 6 by 5 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. Therefore what you are verified here, hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Now problem number 6, show that the relation R in the set 1 2 3 given by R is equal to 1 comma 2 2 comma 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Now what is there given? A is equal to 1 2 3, R is equal to 1 comma 2 2 comma 1. Now clearly can you find 1 comma 1 or 2 comma 2 or 3 comma 3 in the relation? No, not, you cannot deter, we cannot find. Therefore 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not reflexive. And 1 comma 2 belongs to R there, and that is also is there 2 comma 1 belongs to R is there. Therefore 1 comma 2 belongs to R, that implies 2 comma 1 belongs to R. Therefore R is symmetric. Further we are moving into that one. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 1 belongs to R. But here observe there 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. That is R is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Hence proved.